over the major structures of the kidney model and the blood flow. So this is your kidney. Here is the hilum, the indentation of the kidney where you have your renal artery and renal vein. At the top, your renal pelvis and your ureter, which I'll show you on the other side. So major structures of the kidney is divided into two sections. Out here you have your renal cortex. Your renal cortex does dip in to the inside. Those would be called renal columns, which you're not responsible for in lab, but for a lecture you need to understand that. And then this middle section is called the renal medulla, which means the middle, but the renal medulla has the renal pyramids because of their shape. Okay, so we're gonna go through blood flow through the kidneys. So as I mentioned, this is the renal artery. The renal artery splits into what we call the segmental artery. And then that is going to split into the interlobar artery. And then as the interlobar artery starts to go on top of the renal pyramid, it's called arcuate artery. And the way I remember that is it makes an arch. So renal artery, segmental artery, interlobar artery, arcuate artery. Arcuate artery is going to branch into the renal cortex, and this is called the interlobular artery. So now you need to drain it. This is the interlobular artery, so this here is the interlobular vein. It then drains into the arcuate vein, to the interlobar vein, and into the renal vein. And that's the kidney and their major structures and blood flow through the kidney.